welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this beautiful Dutch pour, this is the second one I made, then please keep on watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated and it would really help me. I'm using exactly the same colors as I did in the last Dutch pour. I will leave all the brands and colors down below, but if you want to know how I mix these paints with Floetrol and Silicone, then you have to watch that video. I'll put a link in the eye, so if you click the eye you find the link as well to that video. I'm using Floetrol and Silicone because I wanted to have cells in my Dutch pour. I used a bit more silicone in the white because I want to make sure the white that goes over the colors will create cells as well. I've used 5 parts Floetrol, 3 parts paint and the rest is water to make it more flowy like lemonade syrup. Make sure you pop the bubbles with the burner in the white so you don't have bubbles before you add the colors, and then you can pour the colors on there in the puddle. I'm using a really good white from Winsor Newton. I really love this white. The paint is really thick, so you don't need much to have a really beautiful white on your canvas. I'm trying to learn from last time, so I'm not using too much gold in there. You don't want the paint to get muddy, so if you're using the hairdryer, stop on the right time and then just use blow with your mouth or a straw to move it more like the way you want it. I like the softness of the edges where it like the color feathers out into the white, so that's why I blew it more outward. I'm using the burner to create more cells, so the cells will pop up in the white and the soft colors as well. I've always loved the Prussian blue. It's really beautiful dark blue, and when it's mixed with the white it's even more beautiful. I think you get really beautiful blue shades. I'm really in love with this Dutch pour. I think this is the second one, so I think this is the best for now. I'm really loving the white lacing here. It's just really pretty. There's also not too much gold in there like I had last time. It's just popping through a little bit, so it's good to sandwich the gold in between different colors and then blow over with the white. And I'm starting to love the round and oval canvases. They just add a little something to the Dutch pours, I think. That's why I'm gonna do the third one on a big round canvas. Now I can also see why I love these colors together. They look amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.